Good afternoon, everyone. My name's David Slater from Aico. I'm a regional specification manager. Just going to have a brief discussion about Sprinter integration, but first thing first, I want to talk a bit about Aico. Currently, we're the market leader in the domestic and carbon monoxide market in the residential. Our main market is social housing, where we currently have 90% of the market. Something we're quite proud of is we've won 2 awards this year for our training. It's something we're very proud of. It's something that we do every day, and that's trying to promote education and compliance in the market. We offer bespoke solutions. It's just not our alarms that we put on the ceiling, it's the actual ancillary products that we supply to those to integrate with other systems. So the British standard for domestic sprinkler alarms is 9251. This was last revised in 2014. So if you have a domestic sprinkler system installed, it should be connected to an internal audible alarm or connected to a fire detection and alarm system. If the detection and alarm system is interfaced, it should be in accordance with the British standard, which is 5839 Part 1 2013 or BS 5839 Part 6. Multi-storey blocks of flats, the fire alarm zone should cover no more than a single floor. The individual dwellings should be fitted with an LD1 automatic fire detection alarm system. That should be a minimum of a grade D, which is 240 volt with battery backup. So how do we integrate these systems? It's done very simply with an interface. Now we have RF interfaces and hardwired interface. So all we're taking off the flow switch of the sprinkler system is an input that goes into a relay on our interface, which will then activate the alarms to alert any residents in that dwelling.